Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Krista, and I'm back again with another epic banger story prank in the day, yeah, guys. So this story time is gonna be based on all the love of my life actually in break up with me. You left me. So guys, wanna stay tuned for that one, guys. And if you are new over this channel, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And share it, guys. Share it to 5 friends.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You make them, that's clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be.
So guys, as you all see in the title, oh, the love of my life actually break up with me. And when I say the love of my life, I mean like in a relationship for years, but something did come happen and it may I go get to that point, guys. So please remember, guys, if you are new over this channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I wanna leave a like, wanna leave a comment, wanna share it, guys, wanna subscribe. Cause yeah, guys, as me say, me up with another banger story time another day, yeah. So me meet this boy, I met him at a setup. So after meeting now, we start dates and years, months, then we come living with him. So we did live in a rent house. So the lady who control the house, she did actually live a foreign. So she did not finish because the house never, it did actually finish in but she add on and build up wall around it and thing like that. So him did have some work, the lady did have some work, we come there from whether Westmoreland, some place like that. Yes, so one of the guy always look me, cause about 4 of them or 5 of them. So one of them always give me talk when my boyfriend gonna work. So I always tell him no, cause me live there in the yard with my boyfriend. Him talk to my boyfriend good, like everything alright. And then when my boyfriend gone now, him a look me behind him back. So him always give me talk and tell me how much money him can give me. You know them way that him tell me how much money him can give me, and one have and one what they na also the yard which party me live and all of that. So me keep on I tell him no, because me not tell no lie, me did love my boyfriend bad, because we talk for years and he done just mess up for me actually do something like that to him. So didn't know. So when I didn't know, the man I go left now to go back and me at the work, and then we come there work on the house, I go leave to go back at the yard now. So the man turned to me and say if me come down the yard come look for me, he go give me 140,000. So me still tell him no after, and things him left good on. One of my friend look like him did have the girl number. He told him talk, and so I don't know if him a look the girl, that I'm my boyfriend uncle woman. I don't know if him that look the girl and something like that. But me know say then they have one of the number, and them actually move close anyway. So after him tell me that no, and me tell him no one thing, and he left. So couple weeks after my boyfriend left work one evening, so him said to me, say, where me go? So me I tell him say me never gone away like that, because me did actually go visit one of my family member in the space of time. Cause the man actually plan a lie upon me and call my boyfriend and tell my boyfriend say me come down and house with truth, and me take him money and say me I go come back, and me never come no way and nothing like that. I never take no money from that the man day from the day me ever see him. Me never have nothing to do with that the man day. So, to me did left now, it actually look like me do it for true, but it eventually happened in this space of time when me did left, figure look for one of my people him. So the man plan up lie upon me. I wonder how him know that time there, how him know all of that. So it just look like a setup thing. You understand? Believe me, cause me not have an idea, me not have a clue. So my boyfriend I said the time when me did left, where me go? And me not really know if at that time they tell him or what, but me did left no one him feel so insecure and feel like me I sell my body and thing like that. So him believes that then me did go the time when me did left. So it actually it did kinda weird. Cause him come and him a ask me things like that, but me never tell him what the man did I do behind him back now. Me never. So it come like me plan up with the man to fit do what the man up to with me. Cause he always a look me and thing like that, but me never say nothing back to my boyfriend cause me don't want the problem between him and the man with we are work on the house. So me did just stop it so when he come and ask me now, me I tell him say nothing no go like that kind of say me go down at the man house go spend 2 days down there and the man give me money and me left say me I go for my clothes then for come back home go and stay with him. Beg him, I first me ever beg so funny day me know myself like me blind. All me I say oh nothing no go like that, him still no believe nothing when me have to say. All me I tell him say nothing no happen, nothing no go like that. Him no believe and me and him a talk for years and you're supposed to know where a person will do from where them wouldn't do. Sorry about that guys, the camera does flip like a while. As I was saying, although you still can't trust nobody if you say yeah the person will do this and the person will not do that, but I mean him should at least have like a sympathy for me then cause him still not 100% sure if me do it. So him did it and him family I tell him say they must make me go about my ways because me this and because me that and whole heap of things in family I tell him to do and it end up that's him saying done with the relationship and it break me heart, it break me down. It take me months, all nearly years to get over it because me just looking at myself say, oh, this just end just like that. So it did actually have me away, me not telling a lie, but that's how it goes. Yes, that's how it goes and thing. Yeah, tell me take time and me get over it and all of that. You understand? Yeah, but it was so heartbreaking. Yeah. And right now, I wish it didn't have to end that way. Even if it's gonna end, it shouldn't have to be like that way there. With me being framed over something I've known nothing about. So guys, this is the end of the story time and I hope you all enjoyed, although it didn't long, but I hope you all enjoyed. And guys, please remember to like, share and comment. Yeah guys, cause you know just subscribe if you don't want more videos from me. You know just drop a subscribe and like, share to 5 friends. Yeah guys, I'm out. And remember say me love you. Peace out.
Checking your reflection and telling you